Hi, entrepreneurs! Again, this is Hannah from Ion Business Consultancy. And today, we have the privilege of speaking with an inspiring leader, the CEO of Ion Business Consultancy, a trailblazer in empowering entrepreneurs and businesses through her expert guidance on registration, compliance, and growth. She's not just a CEO. She's a leader and yes, a mentor. And mostly, my very own boss, which makes this interview more special today. So please join me in giving a warm welcome to the amazing Miss Joanne Bongkai. It's an honor to have you here today, ma'am.
Hi.
How are you feeling today?
Thank you for asking. I'm great, and of course, I'm also excited to share something with you guys today.
Yeah, and also we are excited about what we can learn from you, Ma'am Joanne. And yeah,
Hopefully.
we'd love to know who really is Joanne Bongkai.
Well, I am a mom, a life partner, a business owner, a friend, a daughter, a sibling, and I think a mentor to a lot of people, especially to our employees. But I want to articulate my identity in each role para lang din mas makilala ako ninyo and ng mga makakapanood nito. As a mom, isa akong very supportive. I think naging very supportive ako sa anak ko this year lang kasi before super super strict na gusto ko everything's in place. I think as a mother ganun talaga. But right now parang mas natutunan ko na i-embrace yung motherhood na hindi kailangang maging super stricto sa anak. I just want him to enjoy life and I want to instill in him the values of resilience and, kindness. Para habang lumalaki siya, alam kong hindi siya mapapariwara kasi yun yung meron siya. And as a partner in life naman, this is something that I really want to share kasi yung partner mo sa buhay ang magbibigay sa'yo ng determination and support. So, in this relationship, I think I value deep connection and yung mutual support that we have. So, I would say na sa partnership na to, talagang parehas kami na nagsosuportahan. Kasi sa mga hindi nakakaalam, we started from zero talaga. Like, 2016, dun pa lang kami nag-start ng business. And what I really love this role, alam mo, yung support na nakakuha ko sa partner ko is the reason why I excel in everything because he let me be who I wanted to be. And that's something that I wanna cherish talaga. Kasi alam kong meron sa aking nakasuporta na talagang pinupush ako ng pinupush. And then, from the time na naging kami sa relasyon na to, talagang hindi nagbago. Even now, na nagkaroon ako anak, I can still be the Joanne Bongkai na noon, 10 years ago. So, walang nabago. Mas nadagdagan lang, and that's to be, I became a better person lang. So, medyo napahaba. Pero, as I think, as a business owner, I am a very dedicated entrepreneur building a successful businesses na align doon sa values ko and then sa visions ko. Yan yung kasi parang naging business owner ako 7 years ago or 8 years ago. And also, as a daughter naman, ito yung parang time na nag-give back ako sa parents ko. Yung tipong lahat ng hindi nila kailangang humingi sa ng, let's say, support. Talagang nagbibigay ako kasi parang bilang anak, I don't know kung naniniwala ka dito na parang hindi natin obligasyon na buhayin sila, pero naniniwala ako na mas magiging successful ka pag naging mabuting anak. Pero hindi ko naman din ginagawa to para mas maging success. Talagang ever since, yun gusto kong magbigay ulit. Kumbaga, maging mabuting anak regardless kung ano yung status ko sa buhay. And I think as a sibling naman, sa mga kapatid, I'm trying to be barkada and talagang nag-reach out ako. Naniniwala ako na habang umaangat ka daw sa laylayan. Actually, talagang personal belief ko to na mas gusto kong ako yung mag-reach out sa kanila kasi baka naisip na nagbago na. And as a friend naman, ako yung friend na talagang parang when I love the person, pagka-friend ko talaga, yung support ko talagang unconditional. So, that's me. And being a mentor naman, kaya nadagdag ko yung mentor kasi marami sa ngayon na talagang ginaguide ko, especially yung mga employees. And I think kasama ko doon. Masaya ako na nakakapagbigay ako ng ng something na na-experience ko na and also na-share ko sa mga tao, especially sa mga employees. So, that's Joanne Boncay.